How do you like this cake? I think it's so cute. Recently, a customer ordered this mini cake for her family, and I've been working on it with a lot of care. I want the customer to feel really satisfied when she sees this cake. So I'm doing my best to make it look adorable. First, I used white as the base color. I then sketched the design lightly with a sharp stick before outlining it in black. After that, I added some candles to complete the look. If you'd like to order a cake like this, please let me know at least 2 days before the birthday. Finally, I want to say a big thank you to my customers and everyone watching my video. That's all for now. Bye bye.